the Pubo Scalp Massager, Smart Scalp Massager or Head Massager. That's it, that's the box, that's how it arrived. Let's open it and find out how it looks like, how it works, and also what kind of accessory we have included with the device. It's right now. Of course, first we do have a user manual. Then we have the little extra brushes. So you can replace the brush that comes with the device with those ones, which are soft brushes. In case if you don't like the one which are already installed on the device and you like softer, you have those soft style brush which are very easy to install or remove if you want to come back to the original brushes or original massaging bits. So either the original bits or those little brushes, you choose. Now we do have the device itself here. There we go. Which come also with the charging cable, USB-C to USB charging cable. And something I like right away with this device, it's the fact that it comes with a dock, with a charging dock. So that's the charging dock, which means it's completely wireless and waterproof. And this, you have to plug the USB-C cable here, and then that will be always plugged in. You take your massager, you use it on your head, you have fun with it, and then when you are done, pop, you put it back on the dock, and it's going back to be charged again. So I like when devices like that come with the dock. You don't have to deal with any cable on the device itself. Just the dock, you leave it on the table and up, put it to charge. You want to use it, up, you take it, you use it, and up, back to charge it goes. Now, using the device, it's very easy. You have two big buttons and that's it. Very not complicated at all. That's the little bits, which are some rubber material. So to massage, like I said, if you don't like those, you can replace them with the little brushes, which are a little bit more softer for your head. Those are the contact that goes inside the dock to recharge the device. And here is a LCD screen that will give you some information when the device will be charging or when the device will be in use. As for the two main buttons, on off here, so you press this button for a few seconds, and then the device will work. So here we go, it tells you that it's full power, full battery, and that's mode 1. Now if you want to change the mode, you press the mode button, the M button. And now we have massage and vibration. And we press the mode button again. The vibration are off, just the massage on. So the mode button is just to enable the massage on or off. To turn off the device, press for a few seconds the on-off button and the device stop. The off-on button also have another function. Once the device is on, here we go, before you go crazy and you start to press the vibration mode with the M button, you press again the off-on button, but just briefly, and then you accelerate the movement. So speed 2, press it again, and speed 1. So you have two speed for massage and then the vibration. So speed 2, speed 1, press a few seconds, off. And also the way it's constructed, it's actually safer to use with kids or with your pet. If you pet like head massage or body massage, this will do a great job as well. So here you go guys.